Today we have this wax pack, the gentle and effective air cleaner, and a SEEN on TV product. I'm not here to judge how well it actually cleans earwax or whether it is safe for your ears. Our goal today is simple. Let's see if this machine works. One of my colleagues handed it to me for repair. So let's open it up. Let's a closer look and find out what we can do. Let's get started. It's a rubber piece. This is the main unit. I don't know what is rattling inside. Here is some thing. And here is the battery compartment. And I don't have the right size of this battery now, so we cannot test it with the battery. But we have AAA and it's not fit properly. Let's see, can we run it somehow? The light is not working. The fan works, but what is this? Let's open this thing, see what's inside. Why is LED not working? I don't know. I'm going sick. 3 volt directly from my power supply. I think the switch is not good. Now we need our multimeter.